Trevor Ben-led elected team officially took control of the Guyana Public Service Cooperative Credit Union today. However, this was not before another court ruling. Today, Justice Navindra Singh ruled that the elected officials must be allowed to assume office. Senior Counsel Roysdale Ford, who represented the applicant in the matter, took some of those elected members to meet with the CEO and explain the ruling.
The court has specifically ordered that the elections must be presumed and be held valid until otherwise set aside by a competent tribunal. The court has made specific orders that the elected members emerging from the last meeting, that they're the constituted committee of management, and the court has identified, based on the subsequent internal elections, that Mr. Ben and the others hold the respective offices of chairman, secretary, and treasurer. The court has also specifically ruled that yourself and the management are to act in accordance with the instructions made or issued by the new committee of management, and specifically the office holders. I believe that this substantially at this stage brings to an end the long saga that would have been ongoing. We must understand that persons will be dissatisfied and they're still entitled to take whatever steps they wish to take. But at this stage, this is where we are. I hope that you will cooperate rather than us having to resort to further court proceedings. There's in this instance a specific order, as in the last time, as another specific order has been made to ensure that yourself and the management act in accordance with the instructions. Is there anything you would like to have clarified? Yes, the court pointed out today that the jurisdiction of the authority of the CCDO does not extend to preventing duly elected officers from taking control or taking or assuming their offices. So the court made a specific statement that there's no authority vested in that officer to prevent persons from taking office pursuant to an election.
Shortly after Ben met with the managers and CEO of the credit union. It was at that meeting that Saskia Eastman, a member of the previous management committee, sat in on the meeting but was not asked to leave.
We are going to be making other more pertinent decisions, substantive decisions, but today simply to introduce to you the team members who are here, who are elected, and to get from you any questions that you may ask.
I wish to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Saskia Eastman, former member of the Committee of Management, who is amongst in our midst. And I wish to state that in the interest of civility, we have not asked her to vacate the boardroom, something that we think was within the remit of the CEO. This has not been done. I just wish to note, which is all to know that our presence is among us. The point being also that we have nothing to hide, and whatever is being done here is something that we have no problems doing in the public. So if Ms. Eastman is here, at least for this meeting, we have no issue, and she can, if she cares to, she can publicize as widely as she wishes, as the other media will begin.
That the CCDO is restrained from preventing them from taking office, that the Committee of Management is also restrained from preventing them from taking office, and that myself, in my absence, Ms. Smart, Ms. Sam, and Ms. Fraser will take directives from me.
The fallout at the credit union has been ongoing for 2 years.